This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the trim carefully to avoid breaking clips. Use plastic pry tools and work along hidden gaps. Once a section is free, clean it with degreaser to remove wax and grime so new treatments adhere. Inspect attachment points and note damaged clips. Replace or set aside for repair. Make sure to label parts and take photos for reassembly. While parts soak in mild cleaner, prepare sanding sequence and adhesive remover so you can move straight into surface prep. You now focus on restoring the substrate. Sand high spots and old paint starting with coarse grit and work toward finer grits for an even profile. If there are cuts or missing sections, apply a plastic-compatible filler or epoxy, let it cure, then shape it to match the original contour. Once smooth, wipe thoroughly with isopropyl and a tack cloth so no oils remain. Make sure edges blend into surrounding panels to avoid visible seams after primer and paint are applied. You apply a plastic adhesion primer in multiple light coats, allowing flash times between passes so it bonds without runs. Once primed, spray match top coat in thin, even layers. Let each layer flash and build color, then cure fully before wet sanding with high grit and polishing to match gloss. When ready, replace broken clips or use manufacturer adhesive tape, align trim precisely, and fasten. If gaps or lifting occur, press and clamp. If paint stripes or adhesion fails, scuff,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.